put a All-Trek tub in. I'm not sure the brand of this shower valve. So it's got a thermostatic control here, and it's also got a diverter here. So we were able to run the tub spout and PEX because this diverter will only allow water to run to the tub spout. So that's going to be full flow through the 1/2-inch PEX. We could have ran copper if we wanted more flow, but in this case, it's not that much of a difference. So we just ran PEX, and it also has a diverter for a fixed head in the center and also for a slide bar to the right there. So as you can see, everything is nice and square and it's center to the tub. So over here, we added a toilet right here on the floor. So like I said, there was no bathrooms, there was no plumbing on this side of the house at all. So we added a toilet here. We also added a sink. This sink here is wet venting the toilet and also wet venting the tub. So pretty standard here. We ran a vent through the ceiling here, and in the attic space, we had to connect all of our vents, and I believe we just tied into an existing vent.
And hey, if you're from Calgary, Alberta, you're looking to get some plumbing done, give KPN Plumbing a call, 403-608-9557.